visual inspection of a hoverboard motherboard and find out the problems. Sometimes by visual inspection you can find out there is some parts are damaged.
Find out like this. If you see here, one capacitor is like this, right? So this means this capacitor is damaged, and due to this capacitor maybe some other resistance capacitors transistor anything damaged. So first we will replace this capacitor and we'll find out what else is damaged on this board, then you can find. So one by one, so it is tricky, but this capacitor, it looks on the charging side, so motor can run with this one, but we have, if you need a battery charging system working, then we need to replace this one. So also you can see here the difference is, now I can find, you can see here one component is missing. This means when capacitor is charged, this missed here. But if you same board, if you go here, see, this is available here. This is what, this one in between, this one that is not available on here. And if you see here, see, this is available, that is I think D4. This means this is one diode that burn here. Here see, after the power connection, that diode available, and this board after the power connection, no other one diode, then between two capacitors, yeah, same this diode is burned in this number D4, right? Diode 4 is missing on this. Diode 4 is missing. So when you want to repair, first repair capacitor, replace capacitor, then diode, then we'll see what is missing, and we can change this capacitor. How to change this one, you can see this is the capacitor, and back side you can see here. So we can replace this one from here by removing the these connections and replace the capacitor. I think this is low voltage, so I will change it.